Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best dog life jackets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Outward Hound Granby Splash Dog Life Jacket. Adjustable belly and chest straps help you get the life jacket securely onto your dog. Once on, your dog can enter the water without fear. Plus, you won't lose sight of where he or she is with the bright orange color. Keep your dog visible at all times with this life jacket on them. In addition to this life jacket comes in 3 sizes to help medium, large and extra large dogs have more fun in the water. Then if your dog is having trouble, the 2 rescue handles are on the back of this life jacket. Just lift your dog out with your hands and you are good to go. At number 4, Kurgo Surf and Turf Dog Life Jacket. Some dogs are natural swimmers. Others could use more confidence. Keep your pups safe and afloat in the Kurgo Surf and Turf Life Jacket. Perfect for dogs of all swimming abilities, the Surf and Turf acts as a dog coat and life vest in one. Whether you're out on the lake, ocean, or pool, the Surf and Turf helps your dog stay afloat so they can focus on paddling and having fun. Once the swimming season is over, the flotation layer can be easily removed for a perfect-fitting waterproof shell on rainy days. Includes 2 metal D-rings for leash attachment, and 2 perpendicular control handles for easy extraction from the water. At number 3, HAOCOO Dog Life Jacket. Just when you thought it was safe for you to go back into the water, your dog comes swimming up to you wearing this life jacket. Shaped like a shark, your dog can scare lots of people without being mean or really trying. A padded chest zone makes sure this life jacket does not hurt your pet nor make it uncomfortable. Adjustable straps and easy-to-use buckles make putting your dog inside and taking him or her out simple and easy. With the rescue handle on the back, your dog should not be in danger at any time. If you do not want your pet looking like a shark, there are 12 more vibrant colors you can choose to use. Your dog will stay visible and be fashion-forward. At number 2, Apetian Dog Life Preserver Dog Life Jacket. This is a high-performance dog flotation device for boating, water sport adventures and activities with dogs. Designed to protect your dog while allowing them to enjoy the water and provides an easy method of retrieving your dog if an emergency arises. A note about sizing. All pups are unique and special, especially yours. Sizing guidelines may differ dog to dog. Please choose your size after taking every measurement listed on the chart. Make sure to take any other unique traits, large shoulders, long torso, etc., into consideration. At number 1, King Pup Dog Life Jacket. There are different D-rings for the leash attachment and are slightly different in size. Luckily, the smaller sized one fits the husky and the slightly larger one fits the boxer. Other than that, I can highly recommend these vests. I recently capsized my aluminum boat with my husky while he was wearing the PFD. He swam calmly to shore with his head and neck all the way out of the water. If you boat with a dog, these are a must. Much better than having your dog panic and try to climb on your shoulders and drown you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.